Starts flat left 50, turn 6 right of a crest, don't cut. Good luck. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Flat left 50, turn 6 right of a crest, 6 left 50, flat middle of a crest 80, keep middle of a jump 50, 4 right narrow, 80. Keep middle of a jump, 50. 6 left over jump long, tightens over crest, jump. 120. Keep right into 5 left long, narrow over bump. Into 6 right, 80. Over long crest into 6 left, tightens past junction, 30. 4 right narrow over crest, don't cut 5 left, opens long into 6 left, 30, 4 right long, tightens over crest, 50, don't cut 4 left, into 6 right, into 6 left long, 30, 6 right of a crest, opens extra long, into slow, 6 left long of a bump, into 3 right of a crest, bump, into 4 left long, into turn 1 right, opens long, tarmac, don't cut through bales, keep right of a 30, turn 1 right, opens of a crest, gravel, 50, 5 left, into flat right of a crest, opens long, tightens of a jump, into 5 left of a crest, tightens very long, into 6 right, 50, 4 right, extra long, opens flat of a crest, into 6 left, into 6 right, into caution, 5 left of a jump, 50, 6 left, very long, tightens of a bump, 50, 4 right long, into slow, 6 left of a crest, 30, turn 1 left, don't cut, 30, 6 left, 100, 3 right long, tightens, logs outside, opens of a crest, 50, tight, 6 left of a crest, extra long of a junction, 30, keep middle of a jump, into 3 left long, tightens, 80, right of a crest, extra long, 30, 3 right long, opens, 80, 5 left of a crest, extra long, caution tightens 3, into 4 right long, into 4 left, into 4 right, don't cut. 120. Crest into 5 left, tightens. Into 4 right long over junction middle. 6 left, extra long. 170. Caution, 5 right long, tightens 4. Slow 50, turn unseen, 1 right. Opens, extra long of a crest, 160 over bumps. 4 left, extra long, tightens turn, 5 left, opens 80. 4 left at Bale, don't cut. 30, turn unseen, 2 left around Bale, cobbles. Don't cut 3 right, 3 left and 1 right, tightens around Bale, cobbles. 30, 1 right, don't cut 2 left. 40, turn 2 left around Bale tarmac. 160, over finish, 50 to stop.